Hey everyone, welcome to Lost Wax. Today I wanted to talk about why I just deleted the best performing video I've ever had on my channel. The how to make a plywood canoe video had 1.7 million views. That's a lot of views for me. But I just deleted it and uploaded it to my other channel, Lost Wax 2. So if you came here looking how to build a plywood canoe for that video, it's on my other channel. I'll put the link in the description and at the end of the video. Anyways, I was gonna explain why I deleted it, and it's mostly because of people subscribing to that video, which isn't like any of my other content. And so then when YouTube promotes my content to them, then they don't watch the videos, and then YouTube thinks no one wants to watch the video, etc., etc. But the real reason I wanted to make this video is to ask all you wonderful people if you could go over to my other channel and watch the video. And the reason I'm asking you to do this is to help out a friend of mine, Michael Storer. Michael's the guy who made the quick canoe pattern, designed it. He lives in the Philippines. He helps teach people how to build boats and teaches them how to sail. And he makes his living from selling patterns of boats that he's designed. Of course, the original canoe video was sending lots of people his way. And now with it starting fresh again on a second channel, that's gonna really taper down. And so I was just thinking if we could get a lot of people watching it originally, that'll help YouTube decide that it's a video worth watching and promote it a bit more. And hopefully we can get a bit of momentum there going again and help Michael out. So that's the real reason. I just really am asking for your guys' help. If you want to go over there, watch it, leave a comment is great, thumbs up, all those things. That would just make a huge difference. So anyways, you're super great, and I'll see you the next time I see ya. Thanks for watching. See ya.